Moko kuom jotelo mawuok Masawa mar Kenya wuok oko mar siro jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki e ng'wech mar teno jatend piny William Ruto e yiero mabiro. Ka gitwako jofwamb weche e kaunti ma Kiambu, jotelogo manowuok e kauntis ma Hewa 7 onyiso ODM mondo many kom machielo nikech kom mar jalup jatend piny Kindiki dhi mako nyaka tok yiero mabiro. Gimedo wacho ni Kindiki onyiso lony mar kod chia makare e komno e thuolo mar higa achiel gi dweche buora mokalo nyaka ne yiere lemono bang' wuok mar Rigathi Gachagua. Bende gimedo kawo chung' motegno ni gwenge mag Masawa dhi siro yiero mar jatend piny William Ruto e tielo mar ariyo.
We are not depressed. Take note of the ongoing discussions in the political scene and demands made by our brothers and sisters from the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM, in relation to the entrenchment of broad-based arrangements ahead of the 2027 general election. From the onset, we affirm our support for Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and reiterate that he is the best man for the job now and even in the future. That's our position, which we have proposed to the Kenyans. And in the last 15 months, he has demonstrated quality, constructive, and inclusive leadership with utmost loyalty, stood with and supported President Ruto in fulfilling the pledges made by the Kenya Kwanza administration as outlined in the bottom-up economic agenda, the better, and with unfailing dedication followed up on the implementation of government projects and programs across the country. We insist that in Professor Kindiki, the Deputy President's position found not only the right man, but very qualified and befitting that office, and also equally very competent and a very humble leader. As the adage goes, if it is not broken, do not fix it. Professor Kindiki is and remains most competent, and we dare say most qualified. He's very qualified and a deserving person to hold the position of Deputy President today, tomorrow, and even beyond August 2027.